Hi friends, so today we'll discuss one more problem in a quadratic equation. See that problem once. An express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore. So suppose that there are two places, Mysore and Bangalore. So there are two trains going, one is express train and another one is a passenger train, so which is moving from Bangalore to Mysore. So if the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour, more than that of the passenger train. So he has given some conditions here. Now we have to find the average speed of two trains. We have to find out average speed of two trains. How much speed do they travel? So here we know that there are two trains here, express train as well as a passenger train. We have to find out if they travel like this, so how much speed they will maintain, that we need to find out. So how to write solution, we'll see here now. So here the average speed of express train is 11 kilometers more than that of the passenger train. So the speed of express train is depend upon the speed of passenger train. So this is independent variable, express train is dependent variable. So we'll take through the passenger train. What will write? Let speed of passenger train equal to, we'll assume that it has x kmph. Then he said that speed of express train is 11 kilometers more than that of the passenger train. Then speed of express train equal to, already he said that 11 kilometers more than that of the passenger train. So passenger train speed is x plus 11 kmph. So if the passenger train goes with the speed of x kmph, then express train will go in the speed of x plus 11 kmph. So then we have these two variables. Now total distance traveled. So how much distance they both take here? How much distance they between Mysore and Bangalore is distance traveled by both the trains is equal to 132 kilometers. See here it is given travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore. We have speed, we have distance. We know that DTS triangle where distance is equal to speed into time, we have that. Now we'll find out time taken by passenger train equal to, time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 132 by x. We'll make it as equation number 1. Next, similarly, time taken by express train is equal to same distance by speed. What is distance? 132 by, what is the speed, time taken? What is the here speed of express train? Speed of express train is x plus 11 kilometer, x plus 11 hours. Now see the condition is express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train. So then time, we know that from condition, from problem, what he said, time taken by express train is 1 hour less than passenger train. So express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train. Suppose passenger train, okay, so express time taken by express train is 132 by x plus 11 is 1 hour less than, less in the sense minus 1 by the passenger. This is the condition that you have to remember. See how we have written this condition, time taken by express train, this one 132 by x plus 11 equal is how much? 1 hour less than the passenger train. Passenger train is minus 1 hour. So this is the condition we have taken. Now from here how will you write? I'll take this minus 1 to this side, this x plus 11 to right side, then it will be 1 is equal to 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11. So I'll take 132 common. What is the available term here? 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 11 is equal to 1. Here you can do the calculation part as your methods, but what I am going to do here is simple methods. 132 dividing here, multiplying here. If you send this side, it will be divides. So 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 11 is equal to 1 by 132. Now we'll do the LCM. This LCM x into x plus 11. So numerator will be x plus 11 minus this one will be x is equal to 1 by 132 plus x minus x get cancelled. 1 by x into x plus 11 into x is equal to 1 by 132. Okay, 1 by 132. Then we'll write here. See here, what is the condition? 11 by x into x, x square plus 11x is equal to 1 by 132. Do the cross multiplication. We'll get 11 into 132 is equal to x square plus 11x. That implies 11 into 132 will be 1452 is equal to x square plus 11x. Then we'll send this one constant to right side. Then the equation will be x square plus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. So here you can do in any methods. You can do in factorization method, or you can do in V form, or you can do in quadratic formula method, or you can do in any method such that then our values will be x square plus 44x minus 33x minus 1452 is equal to 0. So what is common here? X. If you take common, you will get x plus 44. What is the common here is minus 33. It will be x plus 44 equal to 0. So here common term is x minus 33 into x plus 44 equal to 0. It means that either x minus 33 is equal to 0 or x plus 44 equal to 0. So x is equal to 33, x is equal to minus 44. Here we got two values, plus 33 and minus 44. What is x? Here we have taken speed of passenger train is x kmph. So speed, this one we will omit. Why? Speed cannot be negative. Therefore speed of what is x? What is x here? Here we have taken speed of passenger train is x. Therefore speed of passenger train equal to x, that equal to 33 kmph. Therefore speed of express train is equal, you have to find out both the train speed, is equal to x plus 11 equal to 33 plus 11, we will get plus 44 kmph. So passenger train will move in 33 kmph speed, express train will move in 44 kmph. See that problem once. So express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Nellore, Mysore and Bangalore. So we have taken speed of passenger train x kmph, speed of express train express 11 kh. So distance 132. We have find out time taken by passenger train, time taken by express train. Problem he has given that here you will see express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train. So express train time is equal to 1 hour less than the passenger train. That one we have taken. This is speed of see here, time of express train is equal to, so 1 hour less than minus 1 from the time of passenger train. Then the calculation part. Hope you understand this one. Yes.